Hello and welcome to another update of my untitled game. If you are new, I'm developing a third-person shooter set in a post-apocalyptic world covered with waste, where you have to color the world back to life, shooting seeds or flowers. In the previous devlog, I replaced the first-person controller with a third-person controller and started the networking system and synchronization for the multiplayer. Today we are going to do a new ammo UI, a new weapon, a networking synchronization, health bar, the mage UI and player indicators. Let's build the ammo counter using Unity UI and 2 images with radial fill amount. I also created this simple particle system for the reloading animation. I'm pretty happy with the result. I'm not sure about the reloading system and style. Let me know in the comments what you think. Now, let's start to create the new weapon, a grenade launcher. A grenade launcher is basically a ball shotted, which is affected by gravity. The easiest way is to instantiate the grenade, apply a force to the rigid body and check the collision, but this simple method has multiple issues, also if we have to sync it over the network. The first solution is to send the position and direction of the shoot, which is lighter than an instantiator object. Then the server will apply a force to the rigid body, which is affected by the gravity. Then, to solve the collision clipping, we use a simple trick. During the update loop, we shoot away from the previous position of the ball, taken during late update, to the current. If we hit something, the grenade explodes, solving the collision issue. As you can see, the code is very simple. Finally, to find the points to instantiate the grass and apply the mage, we create a bundle of rays from a point taken from the normal of the impact. For each raycast hit, we have found the correct position to place vegetation and apply the mage. Now, let's create the UI for the health system. The health bar will show up on the left only when you get the mage or be healed, in order to not cover all the screen. We use the opacity of this image to create the mage effect. Another image at the corners of the screen to amplify the mage effect, based on the position of the hit. And finally, I will use a bunch of damage indicators to indicate the direction of the bullets and will follow the enemy. To assign the rotation of the indicator, we take the direction from us to the enemy. We then use the quaternion look rotation and apply the local rotation of the indicator, the rotation found and the cruel rotation of our camera, which is forward. I also experimented several types of player indicators, like this one, to show the current health and name of players, but I am not satisfied with the result, so I'm gonna make a new one. First of all, I created this simple UI to place over the head of every player. Then, we check if the player are in the camera view. We check the distance between us and every player. Finally, we check with raycast if the players are behind objects. To place the indicator over the head of each player, we have to translate from world space to screen point. If any player is behind us, we replace the indicators at the edges of the screen. That's all for now. I'm pretty happy with the results. In the next update, I will start to create bots to fight and set details to the map. Hope you like this devlog. Drop a like if you like, dislike if you don't. Write in the comments your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Twitter. See you in the next video.